let's start guys. In today tutorial to how to install React.js. So here to any code in the React.js, so must be you have to use Visual Studio. And how to Visual Studio, I think you know that. Okay, and second step, you have to download the Node.js. Here the simply Node.js, and download and install the all Node.js and React.js for the under the installations packages for React.js. So simply in here to download, and this is the current version for the Node.js. So I'll just must be you have to download for this, and simply you have to next, and all packages you have to successfully download. And next step for the this PC, and you have to simply anywhere React packages you have to install. It means successfully you have to npx create React app, and anywhere you have to in your program. So I'll use in here and in this and in here. So let's say create the new project, installation, and in a Visual Studio open the new window and open this path to installation folder. So please wait just a second, and this is the copy path for the open in here Visual Studio in this. So successfully imported to path. So just wait, and in here successfully let's say create the new not better in a terminal. So in the basic packages installed for the Visual Studio in there, in here to simply write down to React.js, and this some packages you have to install in the ES7 this one package you have to install, and all the necessaries and dependencies for the completed, and also shortcuts you have to use in there. So you have to install and check. And what is the next package? Next package you have to install this one React Native, Redux, and all the post dependencies. So you are different like Redux. You have to simply and check the ES7, and this one two packages are all the shortcuts for the arrow function and constructor. You have to all the shortcut key to exactly you have to particular shortcut in the arrow function, like all different function and use effect, all the necessaries you have to shortcut key in their packages. So let's start in a terminal, and simply you have to just a minute, and here installation in the start npx create React app, and your app name like website, npx create React app and website name, and this one not npm npx. You have to in React.js to basic package installation process, and basic package you have to create the like basic website structure to to automatically create in the this you have to use npx create react app and simply enter, and all the packages and dependencies are installed to be basic template structure for the React.js. So let's say just all the necessaries, just I'll show you what happens exactly due. Simply just npx, not a npm you have to any package install, then you have to use npm, but first you have to all the project you have to create in the react, so must be npx create react app and your app name like any other that you have to name in there, and this is the installation for the all packages, and removing the you have to not use in the automatically are removing templates. Here you have to just show your website name, and in this two running process, so just show you some first creating the node module and all the packages you have to install in there and import the automatically in the import, and some path automatically to capture, and package names for the here this one just under construction, it means under processing for the all installations process. After installation, how to start the React project, I'll show you. I am not stopping my video because just sometime to your error, and then you have to comment if this is not successful. So just I'll show you how to start automatically, but must be I'll just you have to first time use this, but you have to not use this terminal. You have to use after 2 and 4 time you have to use in a Visual Studio terminal. So then you have to use first time you have to use cmd terminal, and in there to some path in like in the path for the folder, and in here to npx create react app first time, and then after some 2 to 5 times you have to import in, it means you have to start in the Visual Studio, but after 2 and 5 times you have to must be, I'll just say must be you use the command prompt. I'll just already installation for the Node.js and Visual Studio, so I'll not so I'll just link for the description to how to Node.js link download and Visual Studio link simply. So this in React some package is to more time. So all the packages are running completely after some time. So this is so to core JSON, some core functionalities to automatically in here and show the all functionality. And you show the all necessaries and dependencies to a basic structure on the app and CSS app testing this one to removing all packages to you have to not use, and after you have to anyone work in the package you have to must be install using npm. You have to create must be npx create react app, not a npm. This is the node.js link I have description on after some time, and also you have to write down in a Google JS installation steps. So in here Java point is popular, so you show the simply node.js and npm and it's typical. You just simply install Visual Studio and node.js, and this one step for the npm you just check the node version npm-3 npm version you have to must be checked, and second one, this is the package you have to must be first time used to command prompt. So this one I'll just link to share on my description in the link. So this is the npx created app start and some packages installation. So just let's say in here processing are under. In this video I have to just show how to installation process in the React.js and simply hello manifest learning channel. Just simply show and running use the npm start. So just wait installation process after some running on the program. All the basic structure are complete in this one, so you just simply say the cd on your website. So cd is on the move to the folder, and let's how to run project in the React.js simple npm start and running on this server. First time you have to take some time, and React project are default localhost in the 3000. Here 3000. Please wait first time to some take a time for the browser. This is the say starting the development server. So this is the basic structure for the React already you given. So thank you so much and see you later in the next video. Please